Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Jordan Williams.
Good morning, Central Oregon, and a happy Tuesday morning. Our forecast outlook today, we have a few headlines we want to keep a very close eye on here in the Central Oregon area, starting with our red flag warning. Now, we had two red flag warnings happening in the Central Oregon area. One of them expired. One of them is still with us today. So a few places in Central Oregon still under a red flag warning. Now, that one will expire later tonight at 11 o'clock. Air quality alert as well. That comes from the Oregon Department of Environmental Air Quality. That will expire at 5 o'clock. And then below average temperatures. Last few weeks, we've seen above average temperatures. Even this past weekend, we saw a record high in the triple digits, but a different story today, kind of flipping on its head. Now, that red flag warning, as I was mentioning, we had two in the Central Oregon area. One of them covered Bend, Redmond, and a bit more of Central Oregon, and that one expired. Now, the one that's still happening is in the Pine, Sun River, Sisters, and Warm Springs. Now, that one will expire later tonight at 11 o'clock. Now, for your high today of 73, I mentioned those below average temperatures. The high of 73 from Robertsfield Almanac is 6 degrees below our average, and the low of 32. We have a few weeks left of summer, but it's starting to get a little colder. Now, the rest of the week won't look like this, so if you're a fan of cold weather, today is certainly the day for you because it will warm up for the rest of your week. But that low of 32 is 8 degrees below our usual average of 40 degrees. Early this morning, still a little bit of smoke in the area. You could definitely smell it when you woke up. Light hazy conditions this morning, but as we move on, the smoke from that Lion's Head fire up in Jefferson County should be moving towards the coast, which should make for a little bit of a clearer day. As we move on just a little bit more, you can see some light hazy conditions in the Jefferson County area near the Warm Springs reservation and moving into Madras, and then Wednesday morning we have those light hazy conditions moving in to Central Oregon. So expect some light smoke conditions for your Wednesday. Current wind conditions 10 miles per hour in Sun River, 6 in Madras, rest of Central Oregon rather, not noticing much wind activity. Temperatures right now nearly all in the 40s except for Redmond at 39, topping out right now at 48 in Warm Springs, 46 in Madras, and a 39 also for Prineville. Only 2 spots in Central Oregon outside of the 40s. Forecast highs today, a little bit of a different story. Yesterday we saw most of these numbers in the 80s. Now we're seeing in the 70s. 74 for Warm Springs, 75 for Maupin. Same story in Crook County. These numbers were around the 80 mark yesterday. Now we're looking at 70s, 71s. 73, low 70s for Crook County. Same story for Deschutes County. These numbers topped out yesterday at 83. Now the highest, or we are forecasting, is a 74 for Terrebonne, 73 for Redmond, 70 for Bend. And now for your allergy forecast. Not noticing much activity. This has been what we've seen recently. Grass is the only thing you want to keep an eye on. Low pollen counts there. And for your 7-day forecast, clear skies throughout the rest of your week. Uh-oh, we got a little glitch there. There we go. It's going to get hotter for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday as well in the 90s. It's 15 minutes past the hour. You're watching news. You're watching Sunrise on News Channel 21.